I have a data set along with me. So imagine that there is a particular company. The company name is maybe HNT, and they have some salespersons and they are selling some products and they are designated under a certain manager. Now I will be showing you an advanced filter. So in the first scenario, I will be showing you that I want to get all the details of the people having the name of Anirban and what they are selling and the other details that are being shown in the table. So that is my criteria 1. In my second sheet, I will be pulling out the data from this particular data set, that who are the salespersons who work for Somnath. So for my first scenario, I want the details of all the persons having the name Anirban and his details. Details means the product they are selling, all of the Anirbans, and what product are they selling, and which manager they are working for, and their location, and the sales amount which they have, the revenue they have generated. So the first sheet I am clicking, I can use the shortcut key Shift F11 to create a new blank sheet, and this data will be for Anirban or maybe Biren. So take this as a home task. You can find all the data. I mean, the particular example which I am showing, you will be calculating. I am finding out all the details of the persons whose names is Biren. You will have to find all the persons, the details of all the product and all the details of a person having the name of Anirban. So what I will be doing is that I will be copying this particular name, this column label, Control C, because if the, okay, not Biren, this one is the master sheet, and the new sheet, this is the sheet 4, its name is Biren. Fine. So let me paste this particular sales person. So remember guys, that if the column label doesn't tally with the master data table, the result won't get populated, because Excel will be comparing based on the label of the column and the particular name. So moving back to the master table, I will be finding out, since the name of the sheet is Biren, I will be fetching all the details of Biren. So let me paste Biren, Control V here, and the result will be populated in here. So I need to move to the data tab and then click on this advanced section. So copy to another location, because there is a master sheet and I will be copying whole of the data to the Biren sheet. So what is the list range? So from which range am I fetching the data? So from this master table, I am fetching the data from all of these tables. Search, I am telling Excel to search this whole of this master sheet, the data which is present in this particular selection range, and find me something. Find me what? The criteria range is find me the salespersons with the name of Biren, and then copy to. So this copy to means this result set will be populated in which cell. So I want to populate my data in this particular cell, and I will be pressing OK. And here I have, let me click on this corner, this triangle, and double click between any of the two columns to auto fit, and here are the details of Biren. So we have 5 Birens, 1 2 3 4 Birens, and they are selling burger and Shankar Somnath. So that's the details of the persons having the name of Biren and the product they are selling, and the manager they are being assigned under, and the location and their sales amount. So I'll be needing another sheet where I will need to fetch, I need to extract data from that particular table, from that particular range of data, and find out who are the workers who are working for Somnath. So I'll be creating a new sheet. For that I will be pressing again Shift F11. That's the shortcut key to create a new sheet, and I'll be naming this as manager Somnath. So again, you need to have this particular column label. They should be exactly the same, because within this table range Excel will be telling out this particular column label. So if the column label and the name in the way it is written is so it's for Somnath. If the column label and the name of the manager is not appropriate or doesn't match, then Excel won't be able to formulate the result sheet. So I'll be pressing Ctrl V. Next I will be making the sheet a little bit bigger, and I will be doing the same thing again. Let me click this cell where I will be populating the data. So I will be going to the advanced tab, and I will be saying to copy to another location, and the list range is something like this, that this list range I need Excel to search within this range of data. And what is the criteria? Criteria is that manager Somnath, and copy to this particular location and press OK. So we Somnath there, and under Somnath we are having two Shamols. There are three Shamols, three Birens. There are four Shamol. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four Shamols and four Birens. Let me tally the data. 4 Shamol and 4 Biren. Fine. So let me press Ctrl Shift L to apply the filter, and I will be selecting the name for select all, uncheck this option, and I will be selecting Somnath, and then press OK. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 Shamol and 3 Biren. So my data has been appropriately been fetched and it's working correctly. So you can use this particular feature which is present under data tab, this particular advanced, this particular button, and you can use it in different ways according to your needs. I have showed only one of the uses. Think of it, take it as an exercise, and think of some data how you can utilize this and apply for some job position for MIS executive in any company. So that's all for this short video tutorial on Excel. Hope you have liked it, and the only way I can get, the only gift I can get from you guys is that you'll be pressing the subscribe button and you'll be throwing likes, and if there are any queries you will be commenting something so that I can work on it and resolve all your queries. So that's all for this tutorial. Happy coding guys, and have a great day.